Hello everyone, this is Potato Daddy. I'm Young Suk Lim, professor of Gangwon National University in South Korea. So as you see now, this is my home greenhouse and I'm growing now tissue culture material from in vitro culture. So this is Golden King variety in my breeding program, and in USA it is called Love Gold Valley. As you see, I transplanted it from in vitro culture vessel into this bag. You see, in the horticulture mixture soil, April 30th. So today is May 22. So around 3 weeks old since they have been transplanted. So as you see, they are now well hardened off, which means acclimatized into the outside environment condition in our greenhouse. So as you see, I have a home greenhouse. As you see here, during the last month, we tried to protect them from strong sunlight. So see here, during the hot day, we try to protect them from sunlight. So as you see, we close roof top for shading purpose. Of course, 1 month ago, it was still cold here in Chuncheon, South Korea. So we had to protect the young seedlings from in vitro culture from cold. So we use curtain, house curtain, and we close all the windows. Also, as you see in this greenhouse, since we want to grow potato seed quality, so as you see the window here, or window we have insect protect netted greenhouse. So we have aphid protection screens, okay, like mosquito and or insects cannot come into this greenhouse. Okay, so from in vitro culture, 1 month old, as I told you, Golden King, and then there are differences in the varietal characteristics. Depending on genotypes, they have different habits in the growing in the soil conditions. So this is horticultural mixture, is all sterilized soil. And this is another variety we are in breeding program, which is called Joy King. And this Golden King, this is yellow fresh color, which can be double cropping because of short dormancy, less than 50 days or 60 days. So in Korea, we can grow this potato in the springtime and harvesting in the summer, and then we keep them for 2 months and plant again in the end of summer. So we grow throughout the fall season. So in other countries where they have very similar climate conditions, you can grow this potato for 2 croppings. It's high specific gravity potato with very, very good taste, and also gold chip color is possible. Joy King, as I told you, this is also very joyful potato and very, very strong potato. And as you see, this stem is purple color because one of parent is color potato. And the Joy King can also be chipped, but it has a little bit longer dormancy than Golden King, so it's difficult to have a double cropping, two crops a year in the season where they have a short summer. Okay, this is also Joy King. As you see, These are from the tissue culture materials, very, very small. Okay, so we had to very careful. Now joking, this batch is a little bit better than the other one. You can see this looks very strong. And this is variety Happy King. This variety make you happy because of high yielding and also very, very good looking. It's like white gravel. It's like white marble. So this potato has short dormancy, so in Korea you can grow 2 times a year, spring and fall, and through the summer, through the winter. And we had a very, very high yielding, almost twice higher than the superior Sumi variety in Korea, which has been grown for a long time in the winter greenhouse in Bosong. So almost twice higher yielding in this Happy King. So farmers in Bosong, southern part of Korea, were very happy for having this potato. So they're excited to grow this potato in the springtime, also looking forward to growing them in the fall time. So this is also all Happy King. Happy King, Happy King, Happy King, Happy King, Happy King. So this is Happy King, and we planted here also July 30th. Okay, this is directly transplanting from tissue culture material. Okay, it has been grown in Gangwon National University in Korea, South Korea. We have. I'm the director of Institute of Korea Potato Breeding Genetic Resources Center, so which means gene bank. So we have potato gene bank. We have a collection of a lot of potatoes, thousands of potatoes, and also I've been breeding potato for these characteristics in Korea for last 28 years. So again, this Golden King, okay, Love Gold Valley, okay, in USA it is called, and this Joy King and Happy King, etc. Okay, I hope you have a good idea of how transplanting from in vitro culture to the greenhouse in the pot. So here I'm using like a bag system here. So this way we can separate by 30-50 planted. So if you have a big block, then it is more difficult to handling. So I try to have a small blocks like this, so that we can easily control the plantlet. Also in one bag normally, I will show you later. Okay, please looking forward to my next lecture. Okay, this is Potato Daddy. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great time and looking forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.